Hello my Glamorous Babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi, and this video is going to be based on how I apply my press-on nails. I do wear press-on nails in some of my videos and some acrylic, so you want to know how I do this? Then stay tuned. The things you will need is some cuticle oil. I use Obey My Body. You're going to need some cuticle remover to get off the dirt around your cuticles. That's the most important. You're going to need a nail filer / a nail buffer, whichever you choose to use. And I got my manicuring kit from cosmetology school, so I always use this to whenever I want to do my nails or whatever. I'm starting out to use my nail buffer to buff my nail bed or the file down my nails. So yeah. Now I'm gonna soak my nails, and I always use my Dove gentle exfoliant soap. This soap is very good to my hands and very gentle. So of course you see me use a nail brush to brush around my cuticles and get all into it in my nails. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby, when you left me chasing you. As you can see, my nails are healthy and long. I keep my nails done a lot. Now we're going to move on to the cuticle remover to remove all the dirt around our cuticles, my cuticles, because I have to have clean nails in order to have healthy nails. As you can see, I have healthy nails, but I like to keep my nails done a lot. Now it's time to apply the cuticle oil around my cuticles. I like to put a drop and just rub it in, and you'll see how I do it. Now that's done. It looks so wonderful. Wow, I got great nails. As you can see here, I have a variety of nails. I have the Salon Perfect Design Nail Set, which look at the marble and the gold streak in it. And I like these nails. I also have the Kiss Acrylic Nude with the white French. But I love these nails too also. And last but not least, I have the Kiss Salon Color Vivid 2-Coat Color. And I like these too. But the one I'm going to choose is the Salon Perfect Design Nail Kit, the marble set. I'm having a hard time opening this pack, so just bear with me. As you can see, it would come with some glue. Get it open, child. Get it open. And a nail buffer, which I already used and I don't have time to use it now. And of course the nails, the beautiful nails. Aww. As you can see, I'm sizing each fingernail to fit my fingernail, so I'm sizing each nail out to fit my fingernail. It is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. Now you see me applying each nail to my left hand I'm working on my left hand, and boy, it's not hard to do your left, but it's very complicated when time to do the right. Do your female that? Do anybody have that problem? Or just me? Let me know if you have that problem doing the right. And let me know down in the comment section if I'm the only one or it's just me. Or you have that problem too. Now I'm working on my right. So, yeah. And I didn't understand that you And there you have it, these beautiful marble design gold streak design nails. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video. Let me know down in the comment section if you want to see more videos like this. If you enjoy my content, help me get to 250 subscribers. And I see y'all glamorous babes in the next video. Bye, my loves.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer.